looks like a dwarf, isn't it?
Pretty funny.
Hello. Where is it? Where is it? What are the grips? Yes, it's a We the People Envy grips. I don't know. What are they?
ODIs, aren't
No, they're weird grips. they're like ODIs.
Barring.
There's no barring. Mutiny glam bars. I can smell weed. Salt stem. Rat shit headset, which is terrible. Very bad. Premium freewheeling frame. Premium forks. Stock wheel. Premium resist tyre. 2 pegs on the front. I don't know what they are. Diamondback cranks. Premium sprocket. Asda chain. Asda chain for the win. Asda chain for the win. Shadow seat. Random combo. Shadow combo. Got to save the weight. Random thing. Premium back wheel. So what is it? Black PBR. Go away, Josh. Random. Yeah. Okay.